Hey guys, Everyman Tech here, and before we start this video, I want to give a special thanks to our sponsors, Rullus, for sending out their product for us to review. Now, if you were looking for a good wallet and you were trying to replace your old big bulky dad wallet, well, I guess we have a good product for you today because Rullus was nice enough to send us out three of their new ultra thin minimalist designed wallets. Now, if you're not familiar with the company Rullus, now they are a company that specializes in making minimalist designed products such as wallets, phone cases, what have you. And their approach is to come in as like really simplistic, but they pay a nice well attention to detail. And with these wallets I'm going to explain to you and review for you today, that's no different than what they are known for. So without further ado, we're going to talk about the new wallets that they have out. I'm gonna give you some of the options, what they're good for, what just an overall feel of what you will expect if you was to purchase one of their products. So sit back and relax and enjoy this video. The wallet, it'll come to you in a nice metal aluminum casing for protection, and it's real elegant. And I love the case. Like just from the unboxing experience, it was just pretty much awesome, and I was just so excited when I got them. Just I didn't know what to expect, especially with them coming in that nice aluminum casing. Now, when you open up the case, you will notice that you will have the wallet itself, of course, and you will have it's wrapped in their signature band, and you will also notice too that there's an extra band on the top of it in the little slot, which shows, which is pretty much an extra band just in case if the original one that's already attached to the wallet itself breaks. Now, also too, you also have of course your paperwork with some instructions, and you will need those instructions because if you're new to these ultra thin wallet concepts, you will notice that putting the cards in will be a little difficult if you don't follow those directions carefully. But rest assured that I will show you how to do that within this video. So first we're going to go talk about, now we got the review out the way as far as the unboxing, what the casing looks like. Now I'm going to show you exactly how the wallet works and just give you an overall feel of how it feels in the hand and why you should definitely consider it if you're looking to replace that ultra big dad wallet that we're all known for and accustomed to, and you want to go into something more minimalist, more techy, and just the more modern and sleek, which is the best way to put it. Now, when you first take the wallet out of the case, first thing you will notice is the fact that it is very thin in the hand, but rest assured that even with that thin quality and build, which is how it's supposed to feel, it is actually pretty strong, and that's thanks to the space grade, not space gray, but space grade aluminum design. And what was also special about that design as well too, just a quick note, is the fact that it is RFID protected. So if you someone who is cautious or worried, or just worried about someone may possibly swiping the RFID chips on your credit cards, well, the casing protects your cards from that, so you don't have to worry about someone stealing your credit card information while they're passing by you or anything like that, no matter where you are. So you have that protection. So definitely something to keep in mind if you're thinking about purchasing this wallet. Now, past that, when you'll notice too is that, again, with that band, you'll notice that there's a band with the Rullus emblem on it, and that band is pretty much just to keep the wallet together while it's holding your cards, so which is really important. And also that rubber band also provides a level of grip. So if you're someone who, like, for the first time, like for me, for instance, I was so used to carrying the big bulky wallet around. So, and knowing that even though my wallet was leather, I had that grip and that confidence knowing that it won't slip out of my pocket or slip out of my hand. And so when I first grabbed it, I was like, oh man, this wallet is really thin, but that rubber band around it definitely adds a great level of grip and protection. So if you someone worrying about it slipping out of your hand while you take it out of your pocket, or possibly slipping out of your pocket if you was running or something like that, well, you won't have to worry about that, because that rubber band not only provides the strength and the security for keeping your wallets together, keeping your wallet, but your cards together while inside the wallet. But it also makes it easier to. Now, another awesome thing too, now that you know how it feels, is the fact that the wallet itself is really easy for you to insert the cards in. So if you was wondering how to do it, again, the instructions are included within the casing, so don't throw those away just yet. But it's really easy, and you can actually insert your credit cards. Now you can only insert up to 5 credit cards, and that's recommended. And I have tried to put in 6 or 7, but I did notice that it was getting kind of tight. So you definitely don't want to go over that, because one, you will start to lose the ultra thin design, which what the wallet was designed for, as far as keeping it in your pocket and keeping that low profile. And also too, you will also notice that if you go within the 5 and less, it's really easy. It helps you really make it easy for you to pull the cards in and out of your wallet, which is definitely important, because you don't want to be going to the mall or the stores and you struggling to pull your cards out looking really crazy. And that's not what Rullus or anybody else would want you to do anyway. So definitely you want to stay within that 5 card or less range. And on top of that too, in addition to that, that's why I really enjoyed this wallet so well compared to my other big bulky wallet, was the fact that it forced me to actually only carry the cards that I actually needed or actually use on a daily basis, and not just a bunch of extra junk and stuff like that, which was pointless and useless for one, and two, it just really made my pockets extra bulky for no reason at all. And you know how when a lot of people who carry those big bulky wallets, over time, if you wear nice jeans, it'll leave that big imprint of your wallet in those jeans, which doesn't look really appealing at all, especially if you pay good quality for your jeans, or you just don't want that, especially that big bulging thing out of your pocket. So these new wallets definitely help with that, and it's been a game changer for me. And I'm sure once you get it and you change over from that big bulky wallet design, that you will also love it as well. And also a quick note that this wallet is good for women, not just for men, even though most women carry their wallets or change purses in their purse itself. With this new wallet design, it will actually make it easier to save some space in your purses as well. And that's in addition to every different type of purse that you guys carry. You carry the tote bags and the little small ones. I wish I could know all the names of them, but more than I know. So like for instance, my wife carries them and she likes it, and it definitely saves a lot of space in her purse. So with all the other stuff she has in her purse, that the wallet definitely wasn't not the smallest thing in the purse next to her cell phone, and not them having a big major bulky wallet as long as everything that's also in their purse, making it extra heavy. So it definitely adds to definitely lightens the load, if you will, for women's purses. So when women out there, if you're considering trying to downgrade, maybe just to have something, just to again put your cards in, just the only ones you need, and save some space in your purse, no matter what type of purse that you have, well then this is definitely a route you definitely want to go. I honestly like this wallet. I was definitely looking to upgrade and change out my wallet. I was actually going to go with another leather wallet like the one I currently have, but I'm glad Rullus sent this out to me, and just using it and just using it in my everyday life, and it has made a big difference as far as space saving my pocket, and actually just forcing me to use only the stuff that I need, which a minimalist design, and that's what a minimalist is pretty much all about, is just not having too much stuff, but just having just what is needed to get the job done. And this wallet definitely does the trick. So I would definitely recommend this to anyone looking to replace their wallet, or just get into something more techy, or just somebody have that more minimalist design look in their wallet, and just want that confidence and just having an overall good feel of a good wallet. Now the price of the wallet is only $50, and again, you're getting a good value for your money, and the fact that you getting something that's cutting edge, definitely good build grade material. It's very strong and sturdy, and again, definitely goes with that minimalist techie vibe if that's what you're into. And it also does hold 5 cards securely without them falling out, and it's easier to pull the cards out. If you just need to, you can push them out or you can pull them out. And again, I'll show you how to do that as well in this video. So definitely overall, definitely a must buy if you was looking for a new wallet and you wasn't trying to get away from the old big bulky dad wallet. So guys, I hope you guys got some value out of this video, and I hope ease any concerns or questions that you might have about buying this Rullus wallet. And again, Rullus, thank you for sending out this wallet, and it's much appreciated, and I appreciate the opportunity to work with you guys. So if you have any questions out there from any of my viewers out there, definitely leave a comment and I will definitely be glad to answer those questions for you. And you can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter at The Everyman Tech, and I'll have that link to those social media platforms linked below. And I'll also have the website and personal information for the wallet itself linked down below, and of course a link to their website for you guys to review and check out their other products that they offer. But definitely check out this wallet because you will definitely want to get your hands on one, and it's definitely pretty cool and cutting edge. So again, this is Darren with Everyman Tech. I hope you guys have a great and safe day. Bye.